The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that specializes in the highest quality of whiteboard walls available worldwide. Draw It Paint is constantly undergoing tests and procedures to ensure industry-leading, top-quality products with 3 selections to choose from. Recruit, Unique, and Limitless are guaranteed to suit all your dry erase paint needs.
Now, it sounds like you have had quite a few successes throughout your career, but I understand that that's not always the case, right? You face these trials and tribulations that you want to get through. Can you take us through some of these moments of adversity you've had over your career and maybe how you overcame them?
Yeah, sometimes deals fall through in real estate. I mean, whether it's good or bad, whether it's your fault or not, deals will fall through in real estate, and you just have to persevere and always try to find the good even in a bad situation. You have to have takeaways. You have to realize, okay, what could I have learned? What could I have done differently that will change the outcome? I'll use one example of I went on a listing appointment back in July, and the seller was interviewing myself and another agent. And unfortunately, I did not win the listing, but the listing did go live. It was listed way higher than what I recommended, and that listing is still sitting on the market right now. So things like that, I don't feel good that the listing is still on the market, but I feel good knowing that I approached the situation correctly, because when I asked him for feedback, he didn't have any. He didn't say, your sales pitch was bad. He didn't say you didn't know anything about the market or my home. He just went with the person who told him what he wanted to hear. And I'm never going to be that person. I'm going to tell you what the market is saying based on statistics and numbers, and I'm going to tell you what buyers are looking for. I'll probably be listing that property after it expires for the appropriate price, and I'm confident that it will sell for what I listed at, if not more.